Hi everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very fun unboxing for you guys. If you are a regular watcher of my channel, you will know that I subscribe to the Scrappery's scrapbooking kits. I subscribe to the main kit and to the Project Life kit, and I have been absolutely loving everything I've gotten from there so far. I have had zero complaints. The owner, Renelle, is an absolute sweetheart. She has been so good with accommodating all my little pain in the bum requests. No issues at all, so that's been really nice. And she recently reached out to me and asked if I would like to try out the Planner Babe box. So this is a planner subscription that they do sort of alongside their scrapbooking kits. So she asked if I would like to try it, and she would just pop it into my next scrapbooking subscription. So of course I said yes, and this just arrived on my doorstep. So I am going to open it up and show you guys what I got. So I've never tried this particular planner subscription before, so I am not sure what to expect. But if I'm going off their other kits, I don't think I'm going to be disappointed. So this one is the Amora Planner Babe box. It is themed alongside their Amora Scrappery kits, and it is based on the Cocoa Vanilla Happiness collection, which is absolutely gorgeous. I already have that whole collection, so I'm not going to be disappointed, I don't think. Seeing some sparkly goodies already. Oh wow, look at this. There's a stack of goodies in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so first off I see my initial right on the top here in rhinestones. This is a Kaisercraft Rhinestone Alpha, and that is just really sweet. Little personalized touch. I really like that. I think I already have one of these on in one of my planners, and I love it. It's so beautiful. So yeah, definitely happy to have another one of those. A Kaisercraft washi tape. This is silver glitter. I will zoom in a little bit so you guys can see properly. I might just move everything to the side a little bit so you can see a little bit better. So we have the silver glitter washi tape and the Rhinestone Alpha. Next is a beautiful pen. It's silver hardware with gemstones in the barrel and then a big gemstone on the top. Super pretty. Looks to be a ballpoint. Very nice. It's going to go into the pen cup. Okay, next up we have some bows. Okay, it's on their branding card, so I'm going to go ahead and assume that this is their own brand of bows. There's no other branding on there. So we have a beautiful little velvet ribbon on a clip. We have this really pretty, I really like that. It's kind of like a messy kind of fabric. I really like that. It's a really loose weave, and it's got, you can see the sparkles through it. Tiny little sparkly bow here, and then a pink patterned leather wrap bow, and then a black skeleton clip up the top here. Oh goodness, has lots of beautiful things in here. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I'm gonna make a mess. Okay, let me get my dish. All right. It's just gonna make a big old mess. I love sequins. I love this mix. How pretty. Can you say shaker pocket, anybody? All right. I am not going to tip all those sequins out, but you can see lots of pinks, blacks, silvers, blues, and hot pink. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, let's look at our little bits and pieces here. We have a bunch of tabs, which is just awesome. I love tabs. So one side is the navy blue with the flecks through it if you want more of a plain background, or you have the floral on the other side. Just stunning. Love this paper. Next we have a couple of these sweet little crochet flowers. Aren't they just adorable? Oh, they're lovely. You could easily hot glue them to a clip if you wanted to use them as a clip. I'm not sure I'd want to do that. They're just so sweet as they are. Might just keep them on my desk so I can play with them. And then we have some really pretty clips, and they're like resin coated paper clips, hot pink love hearts, and a couple of pale blue geotags. Really, really cute. And this is super pretty, and I'm not sure, but I think it's made of foam. It kind of feels like foam. And there's all these circles aren't actually popped out yet. See? That's so pretty. That would be so pretty on a dashboard. There's an edge, like laminated. Could you imagine that? Oh, pretty. Next we have a planner band, pink and sparkly, very pretty. Just that really soft, nice, stretchy elastic, wouldn't damage your planner at all. Love the sparkles, very cute. A couple of white doilies. I love their doilies. They're the very sort of lacy, intricate ones, and they're very bright white. So I like that. Gosh, there are so many things. Okay. Have another bag full of bits and pieces. Oh, so many bits and pieces. Alright, let's see. Die cuts and more doilies. These are a different one. That's nice. Nice to have a bit of variety. Oh, scallop borders. Yay. I'm going to be making some laminated dividers, I think. And they're nice and long. So you could use these in any planner. I think these are even longer than A5 actually. So that's really, really nice. If you even have a coil planner, I think you could probably just glue these on the edge of a page or a dashboard. How pretty would that be? So there's 2 each of those and they're double-sided. Okay, die cuts. Oh, these are pretty. So, wow, these are large. I love that dressing table. How pretty are these? So you have some really big ones and then you have some smaller ones. So something for everyone. Oh, I love that desk. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun setting up a planner with these. A makeup bag, that's perfect for me. I'm a makeup artist in real life. So I love that. Makeup brushes, super cute. Nail polish, coffee of course, and the fluffy socks, that's super cute. I love those. Oh, they're beautiful. I wonder who designed their die cuts. Super, super cute. Okay, next we have a laminated dashboard. This is personal size. It's laminated and punched. That same floral and dark navy blue on the back as the tabs. As you guys know, I'm in a pocket size planner, so I probably won't be able to use this in a ring planner, but I can quite easily chop this down and use it as a card in one of my pockets. It's just really pretty. All right, a couple more things. We have a nice big sheet of stickers. I mean, that's huge. That'll be coming close to an A5 sheet. That is massive. Lots of cute little things on there, like the scripts, road trip, clean brushes, wake up and makeup, vacation time, organized closet. There's so many on here. Bath, pet, movie time, organized office, sleep time, girls' night out, shopping day, birthday, Netflix binge. Oh, there's so many things. Gorgeous. Love that. Very, very soft and sweet and neutral, easy to use. Definitely going to be popping those on the top of my pile of things to use. And now we have a beautiful cut apart sheet. I think this is a 6x8 sheet, and you have all these beautiful quotes that you can just cut up and use in your planner as little quote cards on dashboards. I like these labels. Definitely going to make some really pretty dashboards out of these. Oh, I'm really, really pleased with this box. This was so much fun. Lots of bits and pieces, a nice variety of things, I think, and I'm definitely going to have fun popping some of these bits and pieces into my planner. So I'm thinking maybe my love note would be a nice match for these things. I'm not sure. I don't actually have that many pocket size planners at the moment. I think this one is probably the best match. Oh, and all this stuff as well. Forgot about those. So lots and lots of beautiful goodies in this. Definitely go check it out. The price is really reasonable, I think. And they have heaps of other goodies in the shop too, not just the planner boxes, lots of individual items and other kits as well. And they have past planner boxes up on there too. So if you're interested in anything like that, definitely go check them out. I will leave the link to the shop in the description box for you to be able to find it easily. And I really hope you enjoyed watching this. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Bye.